How to block someone on LinkedIn without opening profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, in here you'll find different options. Click on visibility. After you click on visibility, in here you will find profile viewing option at the top. Click on profile viewing option. In here, make sure it's private mode. After you do that, if you open anybody's profile, they won't be notified. Then go back. After you go back from here, simply open their profile and click on three dots in their profile. After you click on three dots in their profile, at the bottom you will find report or block. Click on report or block. Then click on block at the top. After you click on block, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on block at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to block someone on LinkedIn without opening profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.